Hello friends, in this video I am going to provide the answer of assignment 6 of NPTEL course of non-conventional energy resources. So let's start our video. First of all, we look at the comment given over here. More than one option may be right, partial marks are awarded if only some of the correct options are selected, and no marks are awarded if only one wrong option is selected. So let's look at our first question. Our first question is, how does solar energy affect the windmill operation? The correct answer for this question is A. Solar energy affects air density and impact the weather pattern. And B is also correct answer. Solar energy enables the natural convection. Our second question is, when a lift type horizontal axis windmill experiences wind crossing it, blank. The correct answer for this question is A. Blade tip will move the more speed than a position in the middle of the length of the blade. And B is also correct answer. Blade tip will move with more velocity than the position in the middle of the length of the blade. Our third question is, wind speed approaching a windmill is typically blank relative to the wind speed after crossing the windmill is more. So the correct answer for this question is B. Our fourth question is, in an aerofoil shape kind of windmill blade, blank by or of the air molecule at the top and bottom is. Correct answer for this question is A. Path travel different. B. Wind speed are also different. And the C. Pressure experience are also different. Our fifth question is, all windmill can function throughout the day, year and season irrespective of their location. This statement is true if wind speed are within acceptable range. So the correct answer for this question is C. Our sixth question is, windmill with blank blades satisfy the condition of high torque and reduce the physiological impact on people near the site. The correct answer for this question is 3 long blades or of 4 long blades. Let's look at our seventh question. While manufacturing the blades and the parts of the windmill, it is important for us to think of some 2 to 3 decades down the line for the blank of the material, for the safe disposal, possibility of recycling, and environmental impact of large scale and disturbed usage. So the correct answer for this question is A, B and C. Our eighth question is, increasing the height of the windmill tower will increase the overall cost of the infrastructure, decrease the winds, no, this is not answer, increase the power generation and increase the wind shear. So the correct answer for this question is A, C and D. Our ninth question is, according to the Betts limit, blank is the upper limit of wind energy captured by a blank. So correct answer for this question is 59% horizontal axis windmill. So B is the right answer. Our 10th question is, if V1 is the speed of wind faced by the windmill blades and V2 is the wind speed after passing the windmill blades, then what is the significance of term V1 by V2 is equal to alpha is equal to -1? The correct answer for this question is D, wind hitting and reversing with the same speed. So these are the answers of this 10th question. These answers are may be right or may not be right. If there is any update about these answers, I will provide you in the comment section. So at the last date of this assignment submission, do not forget to check out the comment section.